For your first stress ball, you'll be needing a balloon, a cup of water, the top of a water bottle or a funnel, and some Orbeez. I'm adding glitter. Needing to blow your balloon about this big. Then let all the air out. Now, you have to put your balloon onto the top of your bottle or your funnel. Make sure that the hole is in the middle. You'll also be needing a long spoon, a stick, or a chopstick to push the Orbeez down. First, pour the Orbeez into your funnel or your top of the bottle. Now, you need to pour in your cup of water into your balloon. There isn't any measurements for how much you need to put. It just depends on how much your balloon can hold and how big you blow in your balloon. If you need to, you can pour out the excess water back into your cup. Now, you can take your balloon off of your funnel or top of your bottle and you can tie it into a nice tight knot. If you need to, ask an adult to help for this part. Here is our finished product of our first stress ball. The Orbeez are still going to be growing, but other than that, it's very beautiful inside and it's very stress relieving. You'll be needing a balloon, some flour or cornstarch, and a water bottle top or a funnel. The first thing that we are going to do is making the mixture that's going to be into our balloon to squish. First, you'll just be needing to putting some lotion into your bowl of flour or cornstarch and mix. Once again, add some lotion. Now, add a little bit of water to your mixture and mix. Now, add a little bit more of water and just mix until your mixture is doughy and you can hold it and it's kind of like Play-Doh. When it starts having clumps like this, start picking up with your hands and kneading it. I'm going to add a little bit more lotion so that it's soft and it's squishy. Once again, blow up your balloon to about this big. Next, deflate your balloon. Put your balloon onto your bottle top or funnel. Put small bits of your mixture into the balloon at a time. Push it in with your spoon, chopstick, or stick. After all of that, your balloon should look like this. Take it off of your funnel or balloon top. Then, tie it into a nice tight knot. You might need help from an adult to do this. Here is the finished product of our second stress ball. You can also put your wrist on the stress ball and move your mouse around with this on the computer. It's very comfortable and it makes your arm not tired when you're doing this. So, which stress ball do you guys like more? The Orbeez red one or the flour/cornstarch white one? Please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.